Students, now I am going to discuss the question number 11 of exercise 10.3. Question is, split the following shapes into rectangles and find the areas. This question is also similar to the question number 10. In this question also some shapes are given to us that we have to split into rectangles to find the areas. As you can see here, the first shape is a L shape. First of all, you have to split this shape into rectangles to find the areas. Right? So here I am going to split this shape into rectangle like this. So I will get two rectangles, 1 and 2. If you want, you can split this shape like this as well, no matter. The area of the individual rectangle will be different, but the total area of the figure will be the same. That is, final answer you will get the same. So you can split the shape in any way. Okay. Now let us find out the area of each rectangle. Now this is your first rectangle. What is the length of this rectangle? 12, and the breadth is 2. So area will be length into breadth, that is 12 into 2, that is 24 square centimeter, right? So 24 square centimeter is the area of the first rectangle. Now let us find out the area of second rectangle. What is the length of this rectangle? 8, and breadth is 2. So area will be 8 into 2, that is 16 square centimeter. See here, the area of first rectangle comes 24 and area of second rectangle comes 16. So total area of the figure will be 24 plus 16, that is 40 square centimeter. Now see the second shape. Here I am going to split this shape like this. Okay. So here we will get 5 square, each of side 7 centimeter. You can see the clear picture here. Here we are getting 5 square, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Each of side 7 centimeter, right? And we know that area of a square is side into side. So area of one square will be 7 into 7, that is 49 square centimeter. But how many squares we have? 5. Since the area of a one square is 49, so area of 5 square will be 5 into 49, that is 245 square centimeter. Okay. So like this you can solve the question of this type. In question number 11 there are 3 shapes. Out of that 2 I have solved here. Third one is the homework that you have to try by your own.